All right, sticking with greetings, we're gonna say, how are you?
And how are you is etiseng.
Etiseng. Etiseng.
Etiseng.
Etiseng.
Okay.
Okay.
I mean, it's close.
So today I'm meeting up with my good friend, True Vonne, and she's gonna try to teach me the common phrases. So I'm gonna say the English word, she's gonna say the word in Ghana tree, and I will try to pronounce it myself. And let's see how I do. So, check it out. All right, guys, so the first word is going to be welcome. I think Ghanaians are a very welcoming people. They like to say welcome in tree.
And welcome is akwaba.
Akwaba.
Oh, simple.
Easy, that's easy. I've also heard that 1,000 times. That one I can do. So the second word is hello. And how do you pronounce hello in tree?
So hello is ago. That is when you're entering into somebody's house. Like you want to find out if you're there, like a greeting. Hello, anybody home? So you say ago.
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 Yeah.
That was easy.
Ago is not bad. That's an easy one. Okay, I'll remember that. All right, sticking with greetings, we're gonna say, how are you?
And how are you is etiseng.
Etiseng. Etiseng.
Etiseng.
Etiseng.
Okay.
Okay.
I mean, it's close.
So now we need to be able to respond to that when someone asks you, how are you? So that is?
That will be mehoye.
Mehoye.
Me.
Mehoye.
Good.
Mehoye.
So mehoye means I'm fine, good, it's all right, like all those things, you know, all the response you give to how are you, you can say mehoye.
All right, guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, comment, and share it with your friends. All right, see you on the next video. Hey guys, once again, thank you for watching this video on YouTube. If you're anything like me and you're in the United States and you're looking for authentic African products made by Africans, then I got the website for you. I created this website, Authentic African, specifically for people like you and I who are looking for products made by Africans on the continent of Africa, but it's really hard to find in the US. As you all know, I'm in Africa at the moment, and so that allows me to find these authentic African products in person. But for those of you who are living in the United States for now, in the US only, and you're looking for products made in Africa, then this is the site for you. Head on over to AuthenticAfrican.com. The link is on the page right here, and it's also below in the description. All right, see you there.